So what's going on, guys? The day is finally here. I made this appointment back in February to have my subwoofer installed in April because I figured, by then the weather should be cooperating and I should be able to ride it out there, have the work done. And, well, here's what I got. Oh my goodness. I didn't strap the cover last night. Oh, it's quite full of water. Oh, it's horrible out here. I didn't strap it. Well, as you can see, not a favorable day to have to take my bike to Gowanda, Harley Davidson. But I know that appointments in the springtime are hard to come about. So if I don't take it now, I probably don't get this appointment until maybe June. So we're going to do it. All right. Let's go get geared up and ready to go. I was going to wear the vented boots, but I think this actually calls for a waterproof boot for this ride. Guys, here we go. Ready to stop. The wind has picked up, and we're on our way out to Gowanda, Harley Davidson to have this install done. Let's go. And one of the things that I found pretty awesome is it's freezing cold out there, and they have coffee, hot, fresh, just made. You probably might even be able to see the steam coming off of it still. Fresh coffee, creamers, sugar, for free. So you can't beat that. Alright, so I'm here at Gowanda Harley Davidson. Before I left the house, I kind of led you into one of the things that might be a problem. So when I ordered this subwoofer for poetry, I ordered it probably back in late January, early February. Made an appointment for today, April 10th, 15th, whatever it might be. Made an appointment for today to have the install done. But in between that time, I was looking at my order, and I realized that the order said it was a secondary subwoofer, and which definitely caught my attention. So I went back to the website, looked at it, and yeah, the primary one goes on the right-hand side, secondary subwoofer goes on the left-hand side. So I did want to have the subwoofer on the left-hand side because I use that saddlebag less. and also for free because he normally rides on my right and he thinks my music is already too loud. So that's also a nice thing I was doing for him, but more for the comfort of having the bag that I use the most being empty and available for me to use. But as I was realizing that it's a secondary, I was not sure what that's going to mean for the bike itself. Did I need to get the primary one first to go onto the system and be wired in correctly, or can I just get the secondary one and it wires up correctly just the same? I wasn't quite sure, so one of the things that I mentioned that to him, and the guy who did all my work from all the previous work that I've had done the poetry so far, his name is Nick. He's my master technician. Right now he's just pulled my bike to the back. We're going to walk back there, we're going to take a look, and we'll hear from him to see what he thinks he can do. He basically said that if it did get to a point where the harness is not the correct harness because I got a secondary woofer instead of the primary one, he might be able to make a different harness to still connect it and get this done today. I'm hoping to get this done today. Really looking forward to the new sound. I'm kind of excited about it, and I hope you are too. We'll get right back to you. So what I'm going to do is I meant to do this previously, but I'll do this when I get back to the house. Is I'm going to set it up with a song that I've already downloaded that I can actually play for you guys. And then I'm also thinking about taking it to a kind of an open area, open parking lot. I think I have a good place in mind right now to go do that, and then get a distance from it when the bike's just sitting, and I'll walk away from it and just give you an idea of how it sounds without the subwoofer and with the subwoofer. In addition, I plan on setting up a camera near the side of the road and do a drive-by. There you go, okay. It's gotta...
Takes a little persuasion. With that, your saddlebag is useless.
Yeah, that's pretty much how I figured that was going to be. That bag will be locked and always locked.
I like to use a flash drive when I test radios just because that way I know it's clear sound, not static.
Yes, I definitely can notice the difference.
And of course you're going to have to play with your equalizer settings.
Alright, so the subwoofer is in, the tail light has been replaced, a slight drizzle, and hopefully I can get back into Buffalo before the downpour comes.